Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Gather 8 standard 4, 5-inch popsicle sticks, quick-setting wood glue, 120 grit sandpaper, clamps or clothespins, and optional acrylic paint and sealant. Clear a flat work surface and protect it with scrap paper, then lay out a ruler and pencil to mark alignment points. Use one extra stick as a practice piece to test glue amount. Quick-setting glue needs a 10 to 15-minute initial tack time before clamping, and full cure is usually 24 hours, depending on temp. Make 2 identical bundles of 4 sticks each by overlapping sticks in an alternating pattern to form a square loop. Use small dabs of quick-setting glue at each overlap. Align every stick precisely. Clamp or pin each overlap and wait 10 to 15 minutes for tack before moving on. To form the ninja star, interleave the 2 square loops at right angles so they lock together in the center. Then apply 3 small glue dots to the central junction and hold 2 to 3 minutes until tacky. After the central glue sets, sand all outer and inner edges with 120 grit sandpaper to remove splinters and refine the tips. Test balance and adjust by sanding or adding tiny glue beads where needed. If decorating, apply acrylic paint and finish with a clear water-based sealant. Allow 24 hours for a full cure before handling heavily. For safety, wear protective gloves during sanding, keep the finished star away from children under 3, and never throw the star at people or animals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.